Bula Vinaka, and very good afternoon to you all. At the outset, I would like to thank the Turangana, the Wailevu and the village elders for hosting us here. And welcoming my team with the traditional welcome. Vinaka. I remember last time when we came here, there was a request from the youth club members that they want to move towards farming. And the request was for the farming equipment, tools and siblings. I remember very well that upon that request, we were here to hand over that grant. And during that Talanwa session, I asked, what are some of the other areas of your interest that you want to work towards, where you can generate some revenue, and that was in terms of income generating projects. And we were told that you want sewing machine. So we were very fortunate just 3 months ago when we have received grant from the Korean government to be given out to the youth clubs throughout the country. And in North, you were the successful youth club for that grant. And I want to congratulate the Wailevu Youth Club. Dear youths, you are all very important part of our society. We are very quick to say that 70% of our population, youth population, is 40 below. And that is why you will read and hear that from last couple of years, we have been reaching out to the unreached youths of this country. And we as a ministry, we want to do things for our youths. And most of you will remember that during that Talanwa session, I did say, while handing over the grants, that this is not just the end of the grant. This is just the beginning. Most of you will recall that. And the reason why I said that we as a ministry, we wanted to see the progress. And I have been told by my Northern Division that you all are very active in the work that you are doing. And I want to take this opportunity to thank all of you, the young ones, Vinaka. I'd also like to thank our elders, the landowners, for giving their land for their sons and daughters to farm. Because that Youth Farm Initiative program is a partnership between the landowners, the youth club, and the ministry. And today, I want to say this to all of you, that wherever we go, to any settlement, village, we see the interest that has been generated amongst our youth to move towards farming. And wherever I go, I also say this, that their days are gone. They have done their share of work, the elders. Now it's our turn. It's our turn to give them back. And this is my message to all of you who are present here, that we all need to work together so that we have a better Fiji for all of us. This afternoon, I want to reassure all of you, just like what I said during that Talanoa session, that this is not the end of this grant. We will monitor and we will see that if you require any more assistance in other areas, we will definitely come in and assist you. We want to assist you. We want to support you so that you can do things for your own self, for your family, and for your communities. But let me tell you one thing. It cannot be done by one person. Or it cannot be done just by your president or your secretary. It has to be a teamwork. Then and only you will succeed. This day and time will not come back. Let's not forget that. So we have to make use of all the time that we have now. We all have gone through some difficult times. Maybe the pandemic, it has been reduced, no doubt. And this afternoon I would also like to urge that those who are not vaccinated, please get your vaccine, be vaccinated. But we are not out of it. We are also now bringing in policy within the youth clubs who intend to access grants. All those members need to be vaccinated. And therefore, I would like to inform all of you, especially the youth club who are present here, that in January we're going to open up another grant system, which has a value of $5,000. You all are most welcome to apply, and that will also be an income generating for income generating project. And I urge you, maybe not now, but when you go back, when you have your normal meetings, discuss amongst yourself and think what is the best project that you can come up with where you can generate revenue and expand that business. That's more important. So once again, thank you so much for hosting us here this afternoon. And now that we are just coming near to our festive season, may I take this opportunity in wishing you and your families a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Vinaka and thank you.